Finding reliable suppliers can be one of the biggest challenges for anyone looking to launch or grow an e-commerce business. In this quick JungleScout guide, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful tool to not only find suppliers, but find the best ones that can help you scale your business with ease. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get access to an exclusive extended free trial that will help you make the most of JungleScout's features. JungleScout is widely recognized as one of the best all-in-one software tools for e-commerce sellers, and it's especially helpful for finding suppliers for your Amazon business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your sourcing, JungleScout can save you a ton of time. Now let's dive in. First, head over to the JungleScout platform. The supplier database tool is where the magic happens. This is a great place to find manufacturers and wholesalers. You can search by product category, location, and other filters to find suppliers that align with your business goals. Simply enter the type of product you're looking for and narrow down your search by criteria like shipping times, product types, and more. Now here's a quick tip: you want to make sure you're looking at suppliers who have a proven track record. JungleScout's supplier data shows real transaction volumes, helping you see how active and successful suppliers are. This gives you more insight into their credibility and their ability to handle large orders. Once you've identified potential suppliers, it's time to evaluate them. JungleScout lets you check out supplier ratings, feedback from other sellers, and even the countries they ship to. This can help you make an informed decision about which suppliers are the best fit for your needs. Another feature I love is the ability to filter by manufacturers who already supply to Amazon, as they tend to be more familiar with the platform's requirements. If you're serious about long-term success, it's essential to assess pricing and product quality. JungleScout lets you compare pricing structures from multiple suppliers quickly. Look at their minimum order quantities and shipping costs to get a clearer idea of your potential profit margins. Another unique aspect of JungleScout is the supplier insights. You can see historical shipment data, giving you an idea of how consistent and reliable a supplier is. Knowing this ahead of time means you can avoid delays and costly mistakes down the road. One more feature worth mentioning is the ability to request quotes directly through JungleScout. You can message suppliers directly from the platform, making communication fast and streamlined. This also allows you to ask important questions about the product, pricing, and shipping without leaving the tool. With this software, you also have access to market trends, which will help you stay ahead of the competition. By analyzing these trends, you can ensure that you're sourcing products that not only have high demand, but also promise good margins. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use JungleScout to find reliable suppliers. Don't forget that JungleScout is available completely free from the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses to help you get started. So if you're looking to scale your business with trusted suppliers and make smarter sourcing decisions, JungleScout is a must-have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description and start sourcing smarter today.